boys and girls. Welcome back to Storytime with Miss Crystal. Today, we will be reading Night Night Dino-Snores. The author of our story is Nicola Edwards, and the illustrator is Thomas Elliot. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this story. Now the sun's rays sink low in the sky. Soon the bright stars will be shining up high. At last it is bedtime for all dinosaurs. The air will soon echo with loud dino snores. Tyrannosaurus Rex holds on tight to Mom. The sky blushes gold, the breeze quiet and calm. As they head home together, all safe and sound, there's a soft, gentle hush in the air all around. Good night, tiny T-Rex. Sleepy Stegosauruses slow to a stop. This spot looks comfy, so down they flop. Together they gaze at the sparkling skies. They can rest here till the sun starts to rise. Good night, Sleepy Stegos. Triceratops snuggle. They're ready for bed. Mom plants a kiss on her little one's head. Among the soft leaves of the jungle they huddle. Bedtime is always the best time to cuddle. Good night, tired Triceras. All-day Diplodocus's like to munch leaves. Now they are settled among the tall trees. The dinos are dozing, curled up on the ground. Dad whispers good night. It's calm all around. Good night, dozing Diplos. Velociraptors rest in the cooling night air. They think of the fun they have had everywhere. All through the day, they've been bouncing about. When nightfall arrives, they are all tuckered out. Good night, resting raptors. High up in the trees, with the world spread below, the wings rustle gently, the sky all aglow. 3 tiny pterosaurs head to their beds. Under Mom's wing, they are small sleepy heads. Good night, tiny pteros. 2 brontosauruses had a long day. It won't be long now till Dad's snoozing away. Mom curls up cozy and warm in a ball. Soon you'll hear Dad, he snores loudest of all. Good night, bedtime Brontos. 3 Spinosaurs snuggle, they're ready to sleep. Huddled together, a small happy heap. Down on the bank by the river they sprawl, in a line from the big right down to the small. Good night, snoozing Spinos. Elasmosaurus makes no noise, not even a peep. The slow rocking ride gets him ready for sleep. Grandpa hums softly a lullaby tune as both of them bathe in the glow of the moon. Good night, sweet Elasmus. The dinos are sleeping. The day's work is done. A chorus of snoring at last has begun. High up above, the stars twinkle so bright. Good night, dreaming dinos. We all say good night. Alright, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this reading of Night Night Dino-Snores. If you would like to add this book to your collection, I'll have it linked down below in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any uploads that I add. I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon in a couple of days with a new read aloud. Bye-bye!